Hope you like it when the fields start to fire too much light.
Log on YouTube, it's Randy here with the Sunday Sesh. You can see just it's a normal day. I just got out of bed, been resting, had a pint of that. Just here now and having a smoke. So bless up to everyone, much love from Jamaica, much love worldwide. And what's going on, people? Last night's session was so hot. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for coming on the panel, showing love, everything. So bless up to that. And all on people, what's going on? Much love, my brothers and sisters.
When I think about the tricks that you pull, I know you tell me that you wanna be my lady, but it was one fool, cause you full of too much light. You full of too much light. What make you full of so much light? I know my love for you is spoiled. I say my love for you is spoiled. See my friends let would have pay your 2 months rent.
So just putting on the chat. Bless up T-Man in the place. Much love, my brother.
Or if I was to take you away from all that you take, hold you down, then what would you say? You probably complain just to say, cause it's always about you. And you're
Just recognition this Sunday.
what life is about for you open up your mouth, cause I smile at you more than a show.
I got some new kush, right? This dealer that I'm hooking up with. He doesn't know this region. But him say I have other stuff. But I just got some sample kush from him. It's really burning nice. It's herbs are amazing. If my girl say yo, she likes this one. So not really know this thing, I have to inform her about it. But I know the grower. I go and go on his farm soon and check out what's going on. So this up for asking me to so far. China Berry in the place. Well going China Berry. Much love Empress for having a wonderful Sunday. Remember the rainy Sunday I'm going to wash some clothes and just here chilling. If you can add to this call. Styling by Proto J. And just gonna play some songs for you for this Sunday. We'll relax, chill, talk. This is a resting day, so we're all gonna rest together. Just have a cool and steady vibe and chill without anyone's at work. And if you're at work, have a productive day to you all. Nice, just started your hydro. Ooh, smoking poorly stuff from Michigan. For poorly flush stuff. I hate that. I hate when the herb is not flushed properly. 2 to 3 weeks, people. Drench it with water. That's all we need. Ooh, you got those beans from Star Delta. I have mine around the back. It's a bit of a short plant because of the lighting period. Days got shorter, so it just started blooming. So, let's up with the plant. Let us smell nice. I'm glad that you're growing it. Can't wait to harvest mine. Next couple of weeks. I got 2 to 3 weeks left on my overall harvest. The tester plants that I put out there, and I just gonna grow big in the coming months. And I want to start up hydro to China Berry. Just get the feel of it back in the bones. Been a while since I tried. So bless up for that.
Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I found my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found someday. While I'm lost, I learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until that day. Every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm blessed always. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah. As far as I can. I can. Yeah. My two hands in the air as far as I can.
Just adding some people to apologize for the quietness. Just adding some people to the calm.
Lift up my eyes to lift up my snow. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. As far as I can.
No, I don't have the videos. I have the plant on the Instagram. Yes, I posted pics on the Instagram regarding that plant. Wonder if I give me a second. I'm gonna check if I have the image. I took some pictures of it. I'm gonna show you how my incredible ball cross with Ghost Blueberry looks. I need to organize my desktop. Bummer, I don't have the image here on the computer. I think it's back on the camera. But Instagram, check it out. That's my Ghost Blueberry. Really nice plant. I have about a couple more seeds left. Going to definitely plant next year, January, start the season off properly. Not February. The planting period here in Jamaica is a bit different, so we gotta grow early in the year. We want to maximize all of that sunlight. Bless up the Greenhouse podcast. Welcome. Much love in the place. Much love being here. And bless up. And regarding the strain Chinaberry, mine has a mango, a sweet mango smell. It smells like a mango for me. What I did, oh, I'm having the hiccups. What I did, I grew it with my own compost mixed with the molasses and everything, so it's really sweet. I don't know if it's the fertilizer or the overall plant. So yeah, I think I have the hiccups. Strange. But yeah, the plant itself, the bud is smelling so sweet. For every rain there's a melody, yeah. For every jungle there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make us sing together. And who said like the order? And everybody got I'm here, I got hiccups, people. I got juice. No juice. Everybody wanna feel like free. Oh, live. pick up some weed. Okay, so the joint is continuing getting currency. Most definitely will be hitting you up, China. Very much love and thank you for being in the place. And so we're just having a easy Sunday. Skanking, hiccups again. Skanking Sunday in Jamaica. Sorry about the hiccups, people, and much love. Much love to my brother Helix in the place. Well, go on. Wow. Jumping away. Hiccups. Let me go get some juice. Okay, so I'm back. Greetings, it's a health finger. Bless up to everyone. I'm having a case of the hiccups, so I got some juice. Wow. I said having a case of the hiccups, so hopefully the juice helps. And bless up. I said chilling here in Jamaica, so chill. Whoa, chill Sunday sesh. Bless up to everyone. Hopefully the hiccups gone. Okay. Wow. Hiccups. So nice. Helix Night says, my brother Helix, just reaching from the block. Bless up the block. Getting high. I'm getting high despite the hiccups. Man's no shaky warrior. Man's still burning. No, I already autographed it and I sent a little personal letter towards the people that made the purchase towards the Chalice and towards Nitro Nomad. A personal list of stuff. When did I send up Nitro? Can't remember now, but don't worry. Charlie's going to reach. They're going to enjoy. You're going to get a personal pickup from Randy. And I think when she tell you where I think I did my little scribing. But you're gonna see it, it's right there. Ensure that I autographed it so when I get big, y'all can be like, this is from Randy Gaston before he got large. And I said, you guys are getting the exclusive. I doubt I'll be painting them anymore. We're sending out them more natural, but this is a special package that I basically put together for the auction, and the darn hiccups are killing me. Over. Hiccups.
Here is a story told to the children of Africa. We love the children of Africa. Teaching the children. Da, 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 da. Oh, black eye, black hair, black skin, black queen, stand majestic with the black king. Today I'll sing you a black song. You need to hear about beautiful black thing. Cause most time we hear about black, we hear about black magic and black witches. Black list, black book, black market, black Friday, spend off your black witches. I've never seen a doctor in black, nor seen a black pill secure no black people. But I've seen bush doctors like Fashion Molly resurrect like a real black beetle. Malcolm, Marcus, Martin. When you see Walter, Rodney, Austin. Oh, you know you're born over now. So when the little offspring asking, tell them they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful. You want to behave when I'm going like they never spent 500 years when I'm from.
Speaking of that, for those who don't know of this, for those who don't know of the series Underground, check it out. It depicts the Underground Railroad, the slave trade. I've recently started watching the series and I'm loving it. The soundtrack is amazing. The actors are phenomenal. It's a great series to basically watch. You learn from it. For me, it's just painful seeing all of this history again, but it's a great series. Check it out, people. Back to the music.
Young boy, I know mama earth black golden. Them I know mama earth black golden. You work hard just to get a black yard, shape yard, swipe by what your black golden. Hold on, I see no faces long, but this is not a racist song. This is a song for the children who was never told about where the race is from. They never hear it in their favorite songs. Everybody comes and says ladies go. What about one when the ladies go? Start people things like Joe Guns, Black Kevin and Bush, Black Kids, Black Senate and Books. But these both pyramids and put each significance to the physical looks. So every word when we sing black, in my word everything black. Black, white, black, right back. So don't be surprised when it's anything that cause they never told us.
And this hiccups a little bit the end of me. Sorry about the hiccups, people.
Black is beautiful.
Just being human.
That black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black. Oh no.
Okay, so I'm picking away.
And it's a protege.
And selecting the wrong song to help these hiccups. And this is the right song. Things are going well. Can't complain. Gonna harvest some more bamboo tomorrow. Get some more cutting in, some more sanding. Go and do my thing. So best of yourself, brother.
You know, for access, at the general issue in a warning. The people in my bad say them tired of mediocre. People like a fall when you tell them Ethiopia. Believing from down, for them life not easy older. Even one time, it's not an easy road.
My hiccups actually.
Sean occupy the motherland, calling out soldiers to find the catalog. From creation, they writing out a plan, but chronics can't do it alone. So I'm recruiting soldiers coming from near and far, right? Executing, say I see a person, the left of far right through. And they say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. I'm on a start recruit, soldiers for Selassie, army, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You know for access, at the general issue in a warning code. Waving the banner red, green and gold. It is such an honor for seasons gold. It's covered on stones, on trees and stone. And even in the stories that she's a stone. Rasta youth must in every earth. Can't sit down, that I send me for work. Bring the fire in a room, that I send me for church. But I can't do it alone. Rasta recruiting, soldiers coming from near and far like executing. Still I see a person be lost a father. True. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. And you know you start to cook. Soldiers for Selassie, army. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You know the oxygen, at the general issue in a warning. Left or right, the soldiers are gone. Left, right, the soldiers are gone. I could have never show me down. In a place called Elevation, no rocket.
Spanish don't rocking indeed.
I grew up in a place called Elevation. Spanish don't rock it, over peace and over. I grew up in a place called Ensign City. Spanish don't grooving, everybody nice. Spanish town, me born, that's where me come from. From your looking at my face, you see a elevation. Well, I said, come on, some place of anti-federation. Strictly roots and culture play on nice station. Yo, yeah, me let you know, you them and the money promoter. We are doing the dance and I'm ready. Spain town original. I'm a never straight out over Spanish town hospital. For me, my name, not a Spanish town original. I'm a group on name, connect to Spanish town original. I'm a Ghanaian name, take Spanish town original. original. Them call her sticker cause she don't normal. Fear grandson connect such a field marshal. If I dance at school, we are the principal. And now we are the real microphone officials. Give them a new style. Us burning in a middle, this is a physical. But I'm offering up and running microphone official. They read me Bible every day, and some know what biblical. I'm medicated in the morning, some know what spiritual. I said the original planets representing from Bristol. Life and die won't hear me now. I grew up in a place called De Vega. De Vega, I'm rocking over crazy over.
That's not the road.
I grew up in a place called City. Spanish down grooving. Everybody nice.
Everybody indeed nice.
You know, when I say uptown, pass it, they get rock and come. Me say downtown, pass it, they get rock and come. Me say tell Maxine, Paulette and Polly, and I tell them put properties in there upon the scene. Fine, swing out like a siren. Bring your little picnic and my lyrics them clean. The cigarette, no they just stick with the peanuts and the alcohol, no they just strictly spread. I'm a African woman, cause a royal baby. Remember said the king of kings done crown with the queen. Oh, if you left my woman and a storage machine, and me can't dance with no M16. Can't wind me good deep on the all 14. And I'm offering proper connects and the royal redeem code. Push up your hand them on the royal redeem code. Hug up your woman on the royal redeem. But I'm offering Max Caesar on the royal redeem. And I'm one Kenny Dizzy on the royal redeem. But I'm old Federation on the royal redeem. And the whole African on the royal redeem. Spanish done well hard and we royal.
Spanish done rocking indeed in other players.
Stronger than the knife, and they can give you once, they can give you twice. But you know destruction of the flesh is at the end in the life. Fear not of the antichrist. Did you know the time exists before the earth? And did you know my eyes are windows to the world? Did you know you can't go a Zion and now wait every curse? Can't tell the voice from the curse. The body's just
anyway, these are my old vape pens. I usually vape myself. What I love to do is create the coils, like building my own coils. As you can see, it's gone through some wear and tear. This one is my special one. We're going to change the head and get back to vaping.
The eyes of the children, and the presence of the love maker. The words of the comforter, and you're much longer, feel much longer. Here is the eyes of the children, and the presence of the love maker. Life is in the words of the comforter, and you're much longer, feel much longer.
Need to do some maintenance on these.
that you all got. Yes, thought you all forgot. That's the time that you want. You were getting buried like a jar. And the shabby of the flames. Seem like they want to my face. The eyes of the soldier. And love is the presence of the love maker.
As you can see,
The words of the comforter. And so much longer, way much longer. The eyes of the soldier. And love is the presence of the love maker. Life is in the words of the comforter.
it's not focusing. Yeah, there's some cool garden, quiet garden groups here.
Stranger, so I sing and come on in the ranger.
Who knows, charge it up later, test out the baking power, who knows. And if I think usually make a whole cannabis preview. Let's hope the man Piccolo. I'll go my brother. Adrian Boss in the place. Much love to the boss. We got Hollywood Solo. I'll go my brother.
You want a little pun shots upon a blood clot. You fill the block with bummerized cops. Cops me on talk, you know you watch me walk, Sam. While black woman is getting raped across me out, Sam. Before the brothers in the shop, Sam.
It's a chill vibe, but just smoke and feeling it. I had the hiccups, hopefully I can come back. And just hear relaxing.
Got me shot, you know, got me carry shot, Jesus, mom, stop it. Cause my room sloppy. They love this nigga out the campus, man. But nobody can with me, so we better go grab with me. Cause me don't play it, when it's just me blaze. When it raise $50, storm out me collar. Watch your bum holler, watch your run, hit the floor. Go and come, no. Show your guns up, on the air. And it was written, always that so let's be the sound that always remains alive. When most people don't think we fight, here's a natural going to kill. The truth is crying out and it's so loud and so clear. But most people don't even there. Still a pollution in the atmosphere. So much confusion and one the atmosphere. The Rastafari is for all man to share. But someone rather to be so unfair. And it was written, always that move of light, like a bird shot, and your and it was written, always that move of light, like a bird shot, and your
And that was it was written by Damian Marley. The next song is Patience featuring Nas, Damian Marley and Nas. So just relaxing here on the Sunday, just cool vibe. I'm well medicated, first trip of the day. Really needed it, had an anxiety attack last night, but all is well now and just here relaxing with you.
This one right here is for the people.
Piss up yourself, Felix. Thank always showing the support to the family. Much love.
Got a chimpanzee, them on them big money. This is how the media villages, on TV, the picture rich. Savages and villages, and the scientists can't explain pyramids. Evangelists making a living on the videos of the little kids. They're typing the image of the images, and this is what the image is. You buy a copy
keep on some, all of a sudden you was in a pretty yellow dance. When I think about the gold and think about the scrolls and even the bare toes. So for the words of my raps, it's time for the scene and I never know. For the words on this place of the world can see and the song that will never show. The ones in the west will never move east and feel like a beer town. Get tricked by the beast, but the way them have a flea when the monster is fully grown. And I'm only guided when the feet of the feet and them could have never grown. A spiritual DNA that lives in my soul and I will forever hold on. Yeah. Survival, patience. What the old folks told me. Can you give me that? Discovering a world before this world, a world buried in time.
Just dropping one post on Instagram.
It's no real. We gonna know it, how we gonna know it all. We growing wiser, how we just growing down. In the redoubts, in the redoubts. And they predict the future, till the sea storms coming. The earth was flooded, you went too far, you will fall out. Now the earth is drowning.
I said just relaxing here. I won't be doing much talking. The session is about relaxing in the Sunday. Tomorrow is gonna be the start of a busy day for most of us, so I want us all to be able to just relax right now and enjoy the moment. Dress up Nitro Nomad, winner of the Bamboo Chalice. That's all, brother.
Can you survive this hard? It's crazy. When you feed people the truth, you don't know how they're gonna react. You're scared of wrongdoers. People that's just ignorant, scared of the truth. Be patient. For now, who wrote the Bible? Who wrote the Quran? It wasn't a lightning storm that gave birth to the earth and then dinosaurs were born.
Bless up them and GF, LMG, tuning in from the sofa. Now get comfortable. This is a relaxing session. It's going to be Monday tomorrow. Most people going to be starting work. So just want us to relax today and just have a good vibe.
Try to get paid. Gotta have leg, gotta have fingers. So I can sit back like that, nigga sit, watch niggas play the game like the Lakers. In a world full of 52 fakers, gypsies, say I'll see systems, traitors. You superstitious, so on your shoulders, make a wish for the day, cuz like somebody got a doll of me. Sending needles on my arm, but I can't feel it. Sometimes it's like part of me, but I got a real big spirit of fearless. I'm fearless. Don't you try to grab hold of my soul. It's like a military soldier, since 7 years old. I held real dead bodies in my arms, till their body turned cold. Oh, why we born in the first place if this is how we gotta go? Damn.
Patience. And much love from Jamaica. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Sure it up, this is a relaxed session. You know, people just want to have a good time, relax their mind on the Sunday.
Goes to all the wisdom and knowledge seekers of the world. Survival, patience. Yeah.
By Nas and Damian Marley. Much love. It's a positive vibe, relaxing on the Sunday. Next song we have by the dynamic duo themselves again. Damian Marley featuring Nas, Road to Zion. Song selector. And right now it's raining in Jamaica, so it's a rainy Sunday evening. For 9 I'm gonna get us foot built up so we can have a 420 puff puff. Give me a sec, people. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police where I use them with everything. Be the control and no more loyalty.
later and I go murder them slow. Rock them up and send to copy from the bush bungalow. Don't watch it like a clear road, but it's nothing I know. The bird from the darkness in the big blood that low. The yammer them as come and spectate and get low. Some boy could have been like Papa Bigger low. Boss up trigger finger, chicken and them chicken low. And two when the yammer boss them in a stereo. Cause I got to keep on walking on the right side, hey, we got to keep it burning on the right side. We don't cure medication without a doubt. Don't let them take you like who them to go. That will be right in there, yes, that will be right in there. We don't cure medication without a doubt. Don't let them take you like who them to go. That will be right in there, yes, that will be right in there. We have to keep on walking on the right side. The way you can you know, they all got to keep on walking on the right side. You gotta keep on, y'all. Yeah, you gotta keep. Sometimes I can't help but feel helpless. I'm having days and daytime wide awake trying to relate. This can't be happening like I'm in a dream while I'm walking. Cause what I'm seeing is haunting. Human beings like ghosts and zombies. President Mugabe holding guns and innocent bodies. It's a byway. They make John Pope save God. Sacrilegious and blasphemous. In my lifetime, I look back and have to walk where savage fought, pastors taught, prostitutes stomping out here boots. The bad screaming, young black children stop for hours shoot. I look back and cook back, clutch cars that pass by. Jaguars, man, fly. And I'm guilty for materialism. Blacks are still up in the prison, trust that. So save me your sorries. I'm raising an army, revolutionary warfare with Davey and Marley. Sparking the irons, marching the Zion. You know how nice be NYC, state of mind. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. And police may abuse their majority. Need a count when I know about variety. Single parents will need some charity. Youths will need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. By independent dreams and strategy. I got to keep on walking on the right side. Hey, we got to keep it burning on the right side. That will be right in there, yes, that will be right in there. We don't cure medication without a doubt. Don't let them take you like who them to go. That will be right in there, yes, that will be right in there. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. And police for your youth, them minority. Be their count when I know about variety. Single parents will need some charity. Youths will need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. By any family, dreams and strategy. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. Youths will need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. By any family, dreams and strategy. Hey, say, you got to keep on walking on the right side. Listen up on the when she want me like, and if she want me, they come back and go to chicken everybody. So, I from the planet, stars are like, and if she want me, no, we got down this and done this, then time.
So I apologize for that, people. Got called away to do something in the kitchen. Sunday dinner is being cooked. So bless up to everyone for being here. Much love. I'm going to tune into the and see what's going on. My special episode. What do you think, colleagues? There's a Firmas. Next. We got Beautiful by Damien featuring Bobby Brown. This is a, as I said, relaxing sesh. We're jamming out to music, and that's what it is. Not much, just here enjoying the Sunday evening, people. Now, what going? How is everyone? What you smoking on? How is your day been so far?
Morning, she shampoos my locks. Always have my back, she send you to that. The type I love you, thank you for that. Go run here, now my shoes and socks. I should keep myself clean and out of cash, no rush. She love me for real and I feel have my touch. And everything I promise me, she's touch. Yo, all this living is like you forgot. Who's check like that, make the neighbor the rat. So listen, go switch your mouth and the chat.
Hopefully you feel better soon, Lemon GF. Get well soon and she'll be medicated.
One 9 to 5, 1 5 to 12. You see me?
For a few minutes. I love that.
Sexual, scientifically penetrating, and you just are spiritually resonating. As a sharing and treasury and no plenty. He's the only thing the king is designating. As long as you feel I am negotiating. I know this kind of people keep on concentrating. But just in the beat and I am clearly stating. Always have my back, she's ready to shoot to that. But yeah, the general, I'm gonna shoot for that. Run here, put it on the shoes and socks. She keep herself clean, I go touch no cash. And she love me for me, but now they have no cash. I tell her the good thing, I did no special touch. Hey, all this thing is like you for that. You said I reservate and never prove the rest. So 5 to 12 o'clock, you see me? Here we go. Beautiful, my love, you know, I will never let you go. Ooh, now. Ooh. Yeah, tell me where you come from, Johannesburg. Not from around here. Yeah, where I come from. Hey, this is the remix, right? Good friends from when I was a baby, wrap up in a nappy. They never ever like to see me mommy and nappy. So me come back to the money and the action nappy. Cause me believe say every black man can nappy. Because for me love to win with that they love things. Me and Teflon for ya. Also kill up on the hill. Grandma want the house bill when me say ill. Me a talk about close to jail. I mean, I know about that. When it comes to money, me say me know about that. And if I JSE, me say me sure about that. And if I make it in a life, can I sure about that. Oh boy, where I come from, everyone's happy. While she and tell him to say, go and go tell Wall Street that I'm coming soon. Been dreaming about money all afternoon because making money is always on my mind. Ooh, Lord. Go down my west pan a piece of land. From the highest then that's the plan because making money is always on my mind. So from here this the motherland that me this the father. But I like to be like house, this a barber. Travel in the whole of Africa and says me up where we get the youth and say this a alpha. Poverty me cursing, me pocket weak until me have to nurse it. So me a go hustle try entrepreneurship. Cause me have to sweeten me account like Ursula's. I say, where I come from, everyone's happy. But they bring me beyond, carry beyond, take me to a place where everyone's crying, whoa, where I come from, everyone's happy. Oh Lord, worship where we come from, everyone's smiling. But they bring me to a different hey. Ooh, Lord. While she fire bring me in and the students advice not on it. So me lift up my voice understand it. People ask if we them pan it. Them know say yes, Steve is demon. Nobody can separate me from it. I saw we beat and bubble and pan it. When time them see we bubble and get upset and start man. You. Where I come from, full of gunman, but everyone I love because the little youth them have food in them lunch pan. But Babylon come down and them bring the guns down and the youth them get shoot down. Hey, I saw we meet every day in the studio, write and tweet every day. People say nice, couldn't so you stay. We tell them a number one. Hey. And them say you stop the nice, but me not stop the nice. Cause me love sing and praise.
Hey,
I make the girl here.
best of the one connects where I come from.
Indian with curl here. I ease.
Another day, me and my in the place.
Yeah. They said your spirit is a waste of time. Negative thinking, don't you waste your thoughts. Verbal conflict is a waste of words. Physical conflict is a waste of flesh. People will always be who they want. And that's what really makes the world go round. Unconditional love is scarce.
Now and forevermore, forevermore. Best up everyone in the place. Just running some music for the chill out on the Sunday. Don't wanna be doing much. This is a resting day for all.
You gave precious life to me, so I live my life for you. You see, you've always been there for me, so I'll be there for you.
That's a cool and steady rocking vibe from Jamaica. Best up to everyone. You're enjoying yourself, Lemon GF. Best up to everyone in the chat. Mr. Healthfinger, Lemon GF, also known as AMG, Nitro Nomad, Piccolo Son. We had Helix in the place, best up to my brother. Hollywood Solo. We had Adrian Boss, Original Boss, Midwest Outlaw, China Berry, and the Greenhouse Production. Much love, and also I didn't forget you, T-Man. Thank you all for showing love and showing up, relaxing here in Jamaica, and having a good time.
So I faith in you. You've always been there for me, so I'll be there for you. You've always been good to me, even when I'm not good to myself. You've always been fair to me, even when I'm not fair to myself. You've always done right by me, so I will do right by you. You've always been there for me, Mama, so I'll be there for you, Papa. You've always been there for me, brother, so I'll be there for you, sister. You've always had faith in me, and so I'll have faith in you. You've always been good to me. You've always been kind to me. You've always stood up for me. You've always been there for me. You've always been good. You've always been good. You've always did care for me. You've always did share with me. You've always been true to me, and so I'll be true to you.
Best up to the one there at the place. Much love indeed.
That's all I've ever been, yo. But one day you gon' understand. You badu badi da dum de de. Now remember the first time that we met, yo. Look at I forget, yo. When you smile and I turn and I say to you, yo, yo, you pure and true. I'm in love with you, in love with you, in love with you, in love with you. I'm in love with you, in love with you, in love with you, in love with you. Yeah. So in love, baby. And I don't care what your mama says. Standing in love, baby. And I don't care what your sister said. Nobody better,
It's really digging me. I don't know what to say. I can't imagine why it's so easy. That's when he took my heart in his hand and kissed it gently. He opened up his lips, then said his poetry. I'm in love with you, loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you. I'm in love with you, loving you. I'm so in love, baby. I don't care what your brothers say. I'm so in love, baby. I don't care what the people say.
Will I try and 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 I try. Hey, and you say you need more than a friend. That's all I've ever been. Yeah. But one day you will understand. You badu badi da do be dead.
That's when you look in your eyes and know that you are meant to be my soul. Just so baby, come on, I mean it destiny. I'm in love with you, loving you.
I'm in love with you, in love with you.
See, I'm in love with you, loving you.
I'm in love with you, in love with you.
So in love, baby. I don't care what the people say.
Now I'm so in love, baby, and I don't care what your teacher said.
I'm so in love, baby. I don't care what the rockers say.
That badu badi do it, badu la di da do it. You badu la di da do it, badu la di da do it. Badu la di da do it.
Love me,
You in love with me.
love me,
No, you in love with
no,
me.
say you love me,
No, you in love with me.
love me,
No, you in love with me.
love me,
No, you in love with me.
love with you,
Yes, I'm in love with you.
love with you,
I'm in love with you.
love with you,
I'm in love with you.
love with you,
I'm in love with you.
love with you.
Badu badi da do do it. You badu badi da do do it. You badu badi da do do it. Badu badi da do do it. Badu badi da do do it. Love with you. Love with you. Yes, I'm in love with you. Yes, I'm in love with you.
Bless up for the Sunday in love with you. Rock easy upon the Sunday. Thank you all for being here. Change up the flow. Next meditation.
You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more. Switching on me now, snitching on me now. Picking up dirty attitudes. What's your future then I'm not sure. Now you lurk on every corner, trying to make a dollar from them quarter. Thought you were my friend, even every man. Prove to be my enemy, I can't even trust anyone. I've got to take myself away from all these things that hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, never good for me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, never good for me. I waste no time on you, now behaving yourself up in a crime on you. Now there's a fine in you. Now tell me what you gonna do. When I'm tired, not to want you missing. Stupid things I do, I just can't believe. Since you don't know what to really need. Thank you, remember like your resistance on stage. I was got to motivate you. Since you don't appreciate it. What is it just in the radio to do the bad things that you are really hating? I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, never good for me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, give yourself good pride. The world is getting dangerous. Sickness and disease are very contagious. All these bad things happening, just ain't for us. Can't help myself, can you pray for us? I've got to protect my life. I've got to love myself. My heart cries within me. Love and respect, that's what you should be giving me. When you hate each other, you don't know what you're doing to me. If I allow this corruption, it's only ruining me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, no good for me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, no good for me. I was got to motivate you. Seems you don't appreciate it. What is it you're telling you to do the bad things that you are really hating? I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, no good for me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you
We have some sizzling at the place.
I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Things you don't want, no good for me.
What's up to everyone? I said Sunday sesh, relaxation, good vibe, chilling, just having a great time.
The book of life, the book of life. So the water from the book of life. I've got and the morning and them pot more than my cookers was used. But you say hello. With the dust, it's gone the wicked look at life. The
Look at night, cause I'm gonna look at life. The mother dash them with the letter, look at life. Them said them wanted me to go to heaven, to look at Christ. Well, them about them and the worship them images. I wait for the getting life, the image of her, and they go round and fall. So still it, like privilege all the villages to live. The light is present for these infinite stages. I don't stop in the way, just one body and slaves. No separate, man, I don't want to let them in the village. Them say, what's up, no need to let's play it. Them say, more work and show and abortion for the ladies for ages. The book of life villages. Babylon wants me and tear up. When them said that we are there, so they come forward with the despair. They need to be there, like eyesight or crystal clear. You air, chase back, put our children to share. The youth need love and care. Close to someone wherever, whatever there. For some money, let them eye flare and live in there. They call us sweaters, because they treat us very well. Children starving, life so very hard. They need a burden, but must show them not must. Craving for more than enough. No love about money and religion, let them happy and prosperous. Still I see more problem and that's far for us. From birth to bed and in after us, they got cross the sepulchres and traps for us. So many guns straight to the tally, I see what you're leaving, them get paid to shot them. Still gonna kill like that, you know, and get the feet up here and whip on all them beds to chat. What you mad? Them some little sister from the brother girl now. Chop up them father, and them mother told them, said them search the sky and said them search not a dead, and said them still can't find a shot. The book of blood, Babylon wants hero. When them said that me a fear. So they come forward with the stairs, they need to the there, their eyesight are crystal clear. Choose there for the children to share. You use me, close to somewhere come right this. Once the money make them eye clear and live in fear. The last is going to look at life. The eyes when the life is going to look at life. My mother dash them, make them with them on the book of life. So they want them to go to heaven to look for Christ. While them above them, I worship them villages. Cause the foreign gives you the great privilege. He is the first source village. Like privilege in all the villages. The life is president for ages. Not stopping the way over one and slavery. Let's separate man and woman, lock them in a cage. Them say most of them little less busy. Them say more caution and birth control for the ladies. The book of life, Babylon wants fear and fear. But them say them in a
book of life. This one is shit in the deck all my life. Don't worry, I'm still here, people. Just here working in the background. Just on the stage. Chesedek all my life. To give Rastafari peace.
So let's find the evil concept of resurrection is a destruction to the humanity. So I said, check this, check. Check the city, check the town, the market on the train, a cowboy town. We look down low. Check the city, check the town, the market on the train, a dead man town. The reach the ultimate, yo, but them no reach nowhere. Them get caught in the internet. Of society, you tell me them I intellect. How much them? We look and go. Let the city, let the town, them not a making a bad man town. We look and go. Let the city, let the town, them not be turning in a town right town. Want to see how you say. Love is the only solution. It's the revolution. The freedom meditation from war and illusion. Love is the only solution. Like it's the revolution. The freedom meditation from war and illusion. Money rights have gone on them thick with us. Peter Tosh rights have gone on them thick with us. Jacob Miller rights and gone them thick with it up. Down and Siki rights and down but look ya. Morgan family come rise. And then the rights to all the price the kids rise. And then the rights to the price the kitchen rise. And then the rights to the price the and we so we go. And the children rise. And then the rights to the price the cable to rise. And then the ocean is the price the food to rise. And then the right to is surprising. Rastafari royalty become liberation boy. Whoa, John boy. Rastaman John boy. Whoa, John boy. Liberation boy. Whoa, John boy. Rastaman John boy. Whoa, John boy. Never go get free, John on tomorrow. Can them not praise John on today? Never go reach no Zion. Can them not see highway? Yeah. Never go get free, John on tomorrow. Can them not praise John on today? Never go reach no Zion. Can them not see highway? Yeah, this heart of fire. Yeah, the people when no see the emperor. The Lion of Judah, he is the conqueror. Joshua is returned. Jaffa must burn. She said this heart of fire. Yeah, the people when no see the emperor. The Lion of Judah, he is the conqueror. Joshua is returned. Jaffa must burn. Yeah, we see.
Zion we go. I can't move slow. Rastafari cruising, praising. We're going where the green grass grows. On to Zion we go. I can't move slow. Repatriation is a must, and we're going where the blessings flow. We're blood fire warriors, fighting to set the captive free, pointing souls on to Zion. Give your heart for your kingdom, yeah. Oh, ye righteous ones, oh come now.
Jaja, you're truly great, and you guys can see that you spread blessings all over me. Jaja, you're truly great, and you guys can see that you spread your blessings all over me.
Fires of the city, until blood. You could have come from Rima, or you come from Jungle. Could have come from Firehouse, or you come from Tower. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have come from India, or you come from America. Could have come from Europe, or you come from Africa. One blood, one blood. One blood. Be a Irishman or a Englishman. Could have be a Mexican or a West Indian. One blood. One blood. One blood. Hey mate, I want to break this straight. Hey mate, I want to get me straight. Deep in the hey blow, this is no joke. You could have been a soldier man or a weather policeman or a weather civilian, said they will away a one blood, one blood, one blood. You could have come from London or you come from Birmingham. You could have come from Brooklyn or you come from Boston. One blood, one blood, one blood. The fascinating fight, travel war, nationwide, Mother sliding down there every day, Father sliding sides, sisters, days and sisters, brothers getting brothers every day. You could have put a Rima or you could have Jungle. You could have put a Firehouse or you could have Hawaii. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have put a Uptown or you could have Mountain. You could have put a Manhattan or you could have Roundtown. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have been a black woman or a with a white man. You could have been a Mexican or a with a Pakistan. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have come from Lebanon or you come from Iran. You could have come from China or you come from Japan. One blood, one blood, one blood. Goodness, can you see blood? Red blood. Goodness, can you see blood? Blood in the deep water. Blood runs through every man's vein. Blood in the deep water. Mothers are fires of the city. They're hunting blood. Blood. Don't let it get you. No. You could have put a ring on or you could have Joker. You could have put a Firehouse or you could have Hawaii. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have been a budget or a higher beauty, or a weather orthodox or a weather gender. One blood, one blood, one blood.
Next, you have some Buju Banton in the place.
I think I'm going to make it. And that's where we're going to take it. So, I'll be here for sure. Don't worry. I'll be set by
We're going AJ, they are the place to run some music. Basically, just having like chillax session, Sunday. Play music, relaxing. Not much. That's it. It's a chill vibe.
It's not an easy road. I'm easy. I'm a hundred people, so they think I made a rose. They say, who feeds it knows? Ooh, now if we sustain, why? I'm the minute to enter this road. I'm the you to overcome. Oh, every day they seem to get worse. Oh my God, that's the way this goes. Everybody I'm trying to break every when I live never that can you see. No matter what you want to say, oh that's great. Once I'm with the fine word, I'm setting free. Now I'm weary, dying dreaming. God knows time to make something. It's not an easy road. I'm ready to see. I'm on the thing, so they think I made a rose to say. Who feeds it knows? Ooh, now if we sustain these flows, I cry. It's not an easy road. I'm ready to see.
Let's upload the productions in the place. I said, relaxing to some music and having a relaxed session on Sunday. Just up to everyone in the chat. And much love.
You got to stay right or you'll be dancing on both sides. Oh, we are not free of feels like righteousness. It's not by my side. Show the from the living tonight. It was hard. Papa died. Hold up my head and cry. I tell you now, it's not an easy road. Oh no, it's not an easy road. I tell you, it's not an easy road. Oh no, it's not an easy road. Why? I've been traveling morning with such a living. Don't waste no night. Yeah, I know. Don't know my hurt. Outside you. Oh, I've got to hold it. Yeah, I've got to open myself like a child. Oh, boy, face. I've got to put up a smile. I'm going my just to out for my love. Oh, God, I've got to, because I know that it's not an easy road. I'm a hundred guitar, so they think I better rose to say, who feeds it knows? Ooh, God, if we sustain these goals, it's not an easy road. I'm a hundred guitar, so they think I better rose to say, who feeds it knows? Ooh, God, if we sustain, why running it out?
This Psalms 23 by Buju Banton and more than
Christmas like that. The Lord's my shepherd and not one. Take me down to life. And pastures green, and leadeth me the quiet waters by. My soul hungers for a day, and need to walk on straight. Within the calm of
weeping for his birthday. Yeah, no, I know he started. It feels I feel going. Thy rock and star, they are with me. They surely comfort me. Oh, my Savior has furnished in the presence of my foes. My head goes round with oil, my cup is full of goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. And in just forevermore, my dwelling place must be. Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. And in your homes forevermore, my dwelling place shall be.
Brother Sexy Juggalo. 420 Dean Blazing. Much love, my brother.
Goodness and mercy all my life.
Oceano, it's me again, Jah.
Glory, hallelujah. Hallelujah be the name. Most High God. Please, Most High God, all of these King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power, and praise. For all the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, God, as I fall my knees today. Ask me, God, I pray, the one that he can pray. Again, God, as I fall my knees today. Ask me, God, I pray, preserve my soul.
No problem for 20 days. As I said, this is just a relaxing session. So I'm here enjoying this with you guys, embracing the rain music and enjoying the sun. My mind is set for the coming week.
But I know you control my destiny, and from you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me again in time. As I fall my knees today, and because I pray, no one else can pray. It's me again in time. As I fall my knees today, and because I pray, restore my soul.
I'm here, Sexy Juggalo.
Walk your way. I pray my soul is free. For my enemies that camp at me, I know I'll be stand.
I'm here, just here running the DJ thing. It's like DJ Randy Jackson from Jamaica. With that sweet reggae music. Pump and running, pump and running. No shit for us. In the place that Sexy Juggalo, them in GF. We got Hole for 23 here. We got the new production. We got the Greenhouse Podcast. Who else we got in this place? 420 Blazing. Well, go on, my brother. And Pickle Racing. What's up, everyone in the place? Let's just do that DJ thing. I'm enjoying this music. We're all enjoying it as well. And much love.
Lord of me, of me, Lord of love, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you the mission, power, and praise. From the years and years to come, and for all the race, it's me against the God, as I fall on my knees today. And because I'm ready, those are my people. It's me against the God, as I fall on my knees today. And because I'm ready, preserve my soul today. It's me against the God, as I fall on my knees.
Next up, we got Morgan Heritage by the River. No, there's no shaking us on the internet.
Well, it's been raining a lot. I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh, yeah, down by the river.
Yeah, they have
Sing on this lovely day. Oh, yeah. We singing birds told me by sunrise he's always there in the morning, praying and blessing the day. I heard about this little tale long time ago, but never had the faith to believe in my soul. Now Mother Nature sent to the three little birds, singing a song, convincing me it was so. Now I'm on my way. Anyone come to see me this day, tell them I'll be gone for the day. Yeah, I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh, yeah, I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I've heard about this tale long time ago, but never have the faith to believe in my soul. Yeah. Now Mother Nature sent to me three little birds, singing a song, saying it was so. Now I'm on my way. Anyone come to see me this day, tell them I'll be gone for the day. I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh, yeah. I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. On this lovely day, singing songs
Oh, my mama, well, she's still loving me. Though I caused her so much pain, I've done my share of wrong, my share of wrong, time and time again. Ooh, she's still loving me, and I can't deny. Oh no, no, no. Since she's been in my life, in my life, everything's been going fine. And I'm proudly to the world, she's mine. Oh no, yeah. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. Oh no, she's mine. Oh no, yeah. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. Oh, she's truly mine. And most of what she does makes me feel so good inside. Tell the Lord inside and I said, oh, she's the right one for me. He made no mistake, and I say this with no apology. That's what you say about your lady. She's still loving me. Yeah. Through all the trials and pain. Yeah. Oh, I played right. And yet she held it down. Yes, she did. She still loved me. Even though I made her cry. Oh, so many sleepless nights. Oh, and I had to make it right. Oh, she's mine. Oh, no, I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. No, 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 she's mine. Oh, no, I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. Love, she's truly mine. Most of what she does makes me feel so good inside. Oh, oh, oh. Someone tell the Lord for me, you made no mistake. Now tell the world there's no apology. Hey, hey, hey.
I'll finish off with a couple more songs. Give you guys 3 more before I head out. And just enjoy the rest of the Sunday. So bless up to everyone. This one is busy signal 119.
Baby, give me another chance. Girl, another try. It's one life. One night. Give me just one more night. Girl, one more night. 'Cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, yeah. A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you. Alright, that's a pretty of myself, I want to love it like. Coming now off of it, if you know the devil on the side. I beg you applies when I'm in crying, yeah. The words are gone without you, want me feelings, yeah, hiding. Remember when you say you need me all day, make love from the room to in the hallway, girl. Me no really want to learn the hard way. We no fear, we say please, girl, still. I take one more night, give you just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, girl. A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you. Remember when you kiss me, call me and tell me say you want to see me. Me never reach in time and you are bad for me. But soon as me reach your doorway, big smile on your face so that me don't feel the whole day. Yeah, me know want to be straight, me know how you believe, me know how you believe. Baby girl, don't leave me this night. Me need you by my side, I go there, I need the peace. One more night, give me just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, girl. A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you. Please give me one more night, give me just one more night. Me need you one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, girl. A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you. Alright, that's a pretty day, me say me want to love it life. Coming now off of it, if you know the devil on the side. I beg you applies when I'm in crying, girl. The words are gone without you, want me feelings, yeah, hiding. Remember when you say you need me all day, make love from the room to in the hallway, girl. Me no really want to learn the hard way. We no fear, we say please, girl, still. One more night, give me just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, girl. I'm in the young.
Ah, man, pull up. See, that's how we have to play. We have to clear. It have to play. Pull up. We need to start this from the beginning, people. Peter Tosh, legalize it.
Don't criticize it. Legalize it, yeah. And I advertise it. Some call it empty. they call it ganja. If my friends got to legalize it, and don't criticize it. Legalize it, yeah, and I advertise it. Singers smoking, and layers of instrumental. Legalize it, yeah, that's the best thing you can do.
Bless up my parchment harvest. And parchment, I'm just playing music as a thing, just relaxing session. You don't need to see my face, you guys see it every day.
Don't criticize it. Legalize it, yeah, and I will advertise it. It's good for the food. Good for asthma. Good for tuberculosis. Even tuberculosis. Got to legalize it. Don't criticize it. Legalize it, yeah, I will advertise it. Birds ants love it. Fowls goes love to play. So you got to legalize it. Don't criticize it.
Rocky, from Zionist. You're ready to rock. We are the rockers from Zionist Coast. We're ready to rock. We sing Coco, it's Coco de rock. Coco, it's Coco de Rasta. Coco de rock. Coco, it's Coco de Rasta. Somebody is working out the sound system. Say that moving through space and time. Brother, don't feel, ain't got enough fear. He's spinning down the baseline.
YG, get on board. This Iron Express. We sing Coco, it's Coca-Cola. Coco, it's Coca-Cola Rasta. Rasta, yeah. Coco, now, Coca-Cola. Coco, it's Coca-Cola Rasta. You finally wreck your song. Positively moving on. Oh, we can get time. No matter what you say or do, jump on the rocky down. That's why we say Coco, it's Coca-Cola. Coco, it's Coca-Cola Rasta.
Double, swing double. So she didn't have a daughter, she didn't have a son. She said no, it doesn't work. Run up the stairs and I keep it down, we cannot run on that sun. So I grab a bunch of clothes and I started to run. They rock down. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down and come. You are old and I am young. Yes, while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Surely what I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broader than Broadway. When you go to cocaine, it's like a stage show. You have man that swing DJ and go. Pull it down the video. Swing. It's a long road, it's up to down. She didn't have a job, but she didn't have a son. She did the little bit run up the stairs and down. And keep it down, quickly, I'm gonna see your son. So I got a bunch of froze and I started to run. Hey, rock down. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. But I don't want your baby to come tie me down because you are old and I am young. Just while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Extra size than size way. Extra broad than Broadway. And it's a control, the time to down. She didn't have a daughter, she didn't have a son. Here I am. Cause I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broader than Broadway. Over the ocean and over the sea, all of the girls them are over we. See, I'm looking tomorrow, the devil to come. So she didn't have a daughter, she didn't have a son. She said the little word, run up the stairs and come. Cause if you don't come, we're not gonna see your son. So I grab a bunch of roses and I started to run. I can't. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down. Because you are old and I am young. Yes, while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down.
We used to be number 10, now we working in the point in the back.
There it is. We're gonna finish off with some Peter Tosh. This is Poor Man Feel It. So much love to those who have been here in the stream. Much love to those just relaxing on the Sunday. So this is a different setting, a chill vibe. Everyone just coming together, relaxing and talking. Thank you all for being here. And much love from Jamaica. Finishing off, Peter Tosh. Poor Man Feel It. What's up, Brian? I said much love to those who have been here in the chat. We're now ending this sesh. Thank you guys for tuning in. Blessings always. Much love from Jamaica and the guests. Out.
Solution, right now.